Hey, before moving forward, I want to let you know about a very great resource for learning more about JavaScript. It is the Mozilla Developer Network, or MDN for short. As you can see, if you want to learn CSS, HTML, or JavaScript, you can go here and learn more about these topics. Okay, so if I just click on this JavaScript, as you can see, there are many of the things here. So what I usually do, for example, we have written our first code, the console log program, right? So I can do something like console log MDN, okay? And as you can see, here is our result. So I'll click on this one. So console.log static method. So the console.log static method outputs a message to the console, which we have seen in the last video, okay? And as you can see, this is how the console log works. So this is a really great resource to learn more about the topics which we will cover in the videos, right? If you have any sort of doubts, or if you want to know more about the topics we cover inside of the video, you can just search on MDN about the topics and you can learn more about them. So MDN, the Mozilla Developer Network, is a great resource for learning the new things in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.